Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and wind your vintage Mickey Mouse mechanical watch. Here we have a 1960s, 1970s Disney Mickey Mouse watch with a manual wind mechanical movement. So most of these vintage Mickey Mouse mechanical watches have a manual winding mechanical movement inside. So this means that with the crown pushed in all the way, you can wind the watch in this position. So you can rotate the watch crown in a clockwise direction upwards, and that is going to wind the watch. You can also hear it wind. And you can wind it around 20 times in order for your watch to be winded. As you keep on winding the watch, you will start to feel some resistance that gets higher and higher. This means that you are getting closer and closer to the maximum threshold of windings. You should never try to wind it more than needed because you can actually break the mainspring. So once you start to feel that resistance, I would recommend to stop, and then you can put the watch on your wrist and enjoy. In order to set the time, all you need to do is to pull the crown to the last position, and in this position you can rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction in order to set the time. And after you have correctly set the time, push the crown all the way back in, and voila, you are done. You have set the time and you have winded your vintage mechanical watch, in our case the Mickey Mouse version, guys. You can apply this tutorial to other manual winding mechanical watches as well. I have a full guide for automatic watches as well in case you are interested, link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this vintage Mickey Mouse watch. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.